It's actually looking for satellites now, and it's just gonna synchronize itself with everything. Then we'll just do a small calibration. We're good to go. Okay, we're ready to go. I'm going to catch the bait. There's different ways of doing it, but I just prefer straight onto the sinker because there's no wind blowing. If there was a bit of wind, then I'd put a dropper loop. Make sure your leader is on one side. Make sure everything's out. So usually I've got someone helping me, but today I'm all alone. So I'll put the rod in the rod stand, loosen the drag, let out enough of slack, and and I want to slowly take it out. So I'm using my tournament, the new tournament, the 15-foot heavy, and an Assaultus 8000, and I've got 40-pound J braid on that one. I've loosened the drag. I'm flying slowly out, not flying too fast. Okay, I'm going to drop it. Easy. I'm confident we're going to get a pull with that bait. It's in the zone. It's a nice big bait. Even if the peckers start eating it, I'll put that bonny head and I'll put cutlets around it, and I'll put some sand around it also. So I think if they're small stuff, they'll peck on the soft cutlets around it, and that should attract the big sharks also. You know, those pecking sounds in the water. So yeah, let's wait and see.